Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the sum number 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th of exercise 2.4. In question number 5th, statement is Shubha's mother is present age is 6 times than Shubha's present age. Shubha's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are the present ages? So in this question, first we let the present age of Shubhas equals to x years. This is the present age, and age of his mother is 6 times. This means 6x. This is the age of his mother. According to question, after 5 years, the age of mother is 3 times their present age. This means after 5 years, age of Shubhas x plus 5. This is the age, and according to question, his age will become 1/3 the present age of his mother. This is the statement. So in this, first we cancel out this. This is 2x. So x plus 5 equals to 2x. 5 is equal to 2x minus x. 5 is equal to x. This means present age of Shubhas is equals to 5 years, and present age of his mother is 5x, 6x. 6 into 5 equals to 30 years. This is the answer. In this question, first we let the present age of Shubhas x years and his mother's 6 times 6x, and according to question, after 5 years his age will become 1/2. This means 1/3 the present age of his mother. This means 1/3 into 6x. When we solve this, x is equal to 5 years. This means present age of Shubhas 5 years and his mother is 30 years. In next question, question number 6, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved, ठीक है, for a school in, ठीक है, अपने को मरौली विलेज है. The length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of Rs 100 per meter, it will be cost the village panchayat Rs 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? So first we consider let length of plot which is 11x, and breadth of plot which is 4x. This is the length and breadth. So total cost is 75. We find the perimeter of plot. Perimeter of plot is total cost to fence the plot divided by cost of 1 meter. So this means the perimeter of the plot is 750 meter. This is the perimeter, 750. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, 750. This is 2. L is 11x plus 4x, 750. So this is 2. 11 plus 4 is 15, 750. So x is 750 divided by 2 into 15. 15, 5 is 75. So it's a 25. This means length is equal to 11 into 25. This is 5, 25, 25, 27, and breadth is 4x, 4 into 25 equals to 100. This is the length and breadth of the rectangular block. In this question, first we find the perimeter. For perimeter, we divide the total cost to the cost of 1 meter square. Then perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. In next question, question number 3rd. Hassan buy two kind of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meter of shirt material, he buys 2 meter of the trouser material. This means ratio of the shirt material to the trouser material is 3:2. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is Rs 36 into 600, 36,600. How much trouser material of cloth he buy? So first we let the shirt material which is equals to 3x and trouser material which is equals to 2x. This is the ratio of the two material. So first we find cost of shirt material. This means one material is for rupees 50. This means 50 into 3x, 150x. And cost of trouser material is 90 into 2x, which is 180x. This is the cost. According to question, he sells the material at 12% and 10% profit. So for shirt material profit is equals to 150x plus 150x into 12% divided by 100. This 0 is cancelled out. 5, 3, 15, 5, 2. This is 6. This means 150x. Here is x. 150x plus 18x. This means 168x. For trouser material profit is equals to 180x plus 180x into 10%. So this 0 is cancelled out. This is also cancelled out. 190x, 98x. So total profit is 36600. So this is 168x plus 198x, 36600. So when 8 plus 8 is 16, this is 15, 16, 3x, 36600. So x is 36600 divided by 366. This means equals to 100. So this is the shirt material. So shirt material is 3 into 100. This means equals to 300. And trouser material is 2x, 2 into 100 equals to 2. This is the material of shirt and trouser. It's a very important one also. In question number 4, the statement is half of the deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deers. So in this question, first we let the number of deers equals to x. This total number of deers. Half of the are grazing in the field. Grazing in the field. This means x minus half of x, which is 2x minus x upon 2, x upon 2. They are grazing in the field, and 3/4 are playing